Welcome to Feasty Fusion, friends. So today we'll discover a quick method to cook dry and spicy cauliflower fry. So add some sunflower oil. So I'm going to add some cumin seeds and chopped ginger. I'm adding very little ginger just to get some flavor of it. Do not add more. So I'm going to add some chopped garlic. So adding some green chilies now. So I have a whole cauliflower cut into pieces, so I'm gonna put all of those in it. Keep stirring the cauliflower and saute it before adding any of the spices. So now we will add all the spices. So we've got some red chili powder, turmeric, some garam masala and salt. So stir it well. I'm going to add a very little water just to add some moisture to it. Now close the lid and allow it to cook on steam for some time on the low flame. So let's open and see. So you can see that the cauliflower has become a bit soft now. Now increase a bit of flame and keep stirring, and to ensure all the water content is evaporated and it becomes completely dry. So I'm gonna add some kasturi methi on top of it. A bit of chaat masala. So the chaat masala is optional. So it gives a bit of tangy finish to the dish, and kasturi methi adds to the aroma. Keep stirring well and ensure that it doesn't get burned at the bottom. And it looks like now all the water content is evaporated and it's almost dry. So here we are with the dry and spicy cauliflower fry all ready to be served. So please do try, friends, and let me know if you like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.